Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to set up your Xfinity internet and your coaxial wall outlet is not working, it can be confusing because everything looks connected, but there is still no internet. Many people assume that all wall outlets are active by default, but that is not always the case. Some outlets may not be connected to the main line or may not be activated by the service provider. This can prevent your modem from receiving any signal, even if all cables are properly attached. It is important to check the outlet connection and activation process step by step to make sure everything is working correctly. Once the outlet is properly activated, your internet setup becomes much easier. In this video, I will show you step by step how to activate a coaxial wall outlet for Xfinity Internet. Try these. 1. Connect the coaxial cable from the coaxial wall outlet to the Xfinity modem. 2. Turn on the Xfinity modem and wait for it to detect signal from the coaxial wall outlet. 3. Check the coaxial wall outlet connection to make sure it is tight and secure. 4. Try connecting the Xfinity modem to another coaxial wall outlet if available. 5. Activate the Xfinity modem using the official Xfinity app or website. 6. Confirm the coaxial wall outlet is active when the Xfinity modem shows stable connection.